Are we rolling?
We're sizzling and smoking.
All right, folks. We're going to make some more beverages today. I'm going to make the Old Fashioned. Need a little ice. Get her in the cup. Hit her with a little number 99 Canadian whiskey. Red cask by Wayner.
Yeah, that's Gretzky's red cask whiskey. Has just a little kiss of like red wine flavor to it.
Put a little of that, a little splash of bitters. And we're going a little more bitters. Who are we kidding? A little simple syrup. Simple syrup is simple. It is half a cup of sugar, half a cup of water, medium heat till it dissolved. Done.
I tried to buy it at the store. The guy kind of laughed at me. He's like, "No, you make your own." I was like, "Oh."
Right? Now you take a little bit of orange. Look at that orange. Look how juicy that is. Look at that. You take it, get rid of it, because we're not putting it in our fucking drink, okay? Give her a little stir. Top up the whiskey again, because I nearly didn't put enough in it. Boom. And away we go.
That's it, eh?
That's it. Give her a shot. What do you think?
Wow.
Not bad, eh?
For basically being straight whiskey.
For a perfect sipper, you need something on a cool night just to chillax, watching the ball game.
Like, what are these bitters?
I don't know. It's 45% alcohol. You just drink it right there.
Okay, so actually that'll open up your eyes.
It will.
Got my voice cracking. It's so good.
All this is alcohol, water, sugar, and a couple crazy words. It's easy. What do you got for us?
All right, this is a viewer email. We had to try this drink. I haven't even tried it yet, so you're learning along with me. Blue Gatorade. The idea is, say you're on the beaches of Mexico, but you're at the all-you-can-drink resort or whatever it is, right? Or maybe it's a Sunday morning and you had a wild Saturday night.
Gotta rehydrate.
I'm gonna grab a nice frozen glass out of there.
What are you thinking?
That one right there.
Fancy
looks
dancing with
beautiful.
this thing.
And then we'll give her a little bit of a
You want a rimmer?
rimmer here. Nice. Now
That's
I
your
bought
sugar? Ooh, margarita salt.
one of these shakers to make martinis. Don't do martinis.
Shaken or stirred?
Shaken like big time. They're not good. If you can make a good martini, someone send me the recipe. Because
Bond.
yeah, I don't think he actually drinks that. So we're gonna go 2 cups Blue Gatorade. Oh, right there's a pretty good drink.
Absolutely.
Never heard of this stuff? Blue Caraco.
Curacao.
Oh, Caraco. Corey's obviously had it. 1/3 a cup Curacao. It looks cool. It looks blue.
It's blue.
And what do we have here? We have some...
Tequila.
he doesn't need the promotion. It's Duane the Rock Johnson's tequila.
You smell what he's brewing.
At least his face isn't on it. That's what he's brewing.
Actually, it smells okay.
It does. A full cup of the Rock's tequila. That is looking pretty full.
It is full. You don't even have ice in there yet.
Why don't you have any room for ice?
3 ice cubes.
3 ice cubes.
No 4.
Ideally in your mixer. Oh, that's going to overflow. Nobody's watching this part. Cut this part out. Okay. See why I love Original 16? There's no hassle to it. But we'll do anything for the viewers. Look at that. This better be good. Deke.
Can you put ice in there?
Yeah, that's a good idea. This is just like if I was one of those Vegas bartenders, professional.
Let's see little Tom Cruise start flipping it around. You do notice how my Old Fashioned didn't make a mess. The problem with that is the Old Fashioned makes a mess later.
Yeah.
It's hitting you. Careful now.
All right, that does look cool. Give her a go. You be the first. You tell. We love the viewers. Send us all your recipes.
Smells Mexican.
It does. It looks good.
Margarita.
Doesn't taste just like Gatorade.
Doesn't taste like, you can't taste Gatorade. You can't taste. It's just, it's nice. I don't mind it.
It just seems like a good summertime drink.
It would be. That's a great one on the deck. Doing nothing but wasting away a Sunday by getting plowed. Do we want to go to bed at 6 o'clock? Have a couple of those.
Wow. And that looks cool.
Yep.
Bring those out at a party. Two totally different drinks. Two great drinks. Jackson's on the cam. Get in there, Jackson. Get a close up. Maybe that one. Nice. All right, thanks for watching. We're almost at 100 subscribers. We can name our channel Sizzle and Smoke. Cheers.
I'm going for a nap.
Going for a nap. I'll just go back to shooting triple 20s with my...
Oh, as if.
Well, it's easy. Cheers.